BigBear.ai is attracting investors because of its similarity to Palantir. Investors think of Big Bear as junior Palantir, as a company that could become like Palantir. It offers artificial intelligence for institutions and enterprises, and it's securing government contracts similarly to how Palantir, but less successfully. So I wanted to dig deeper, do a discounted cash flow, and answer if Big Bear AI at current prices is a buy, or in other words, what's a fair price to pay for Big Bear AI stock. Starting with the free cash flow forecasts, the company is negative on free cash flow, and the analysts on Wall Street expect it to remain so until 2027 when it will break even. From that point onward, I'm forecasting that its free cash flow will rise meaningfully, growing from negative levels in 2024 up to 460 million by 2034. Longer term, I'm forecasting its free cash flow will grow at an above average 6% rate for the very long run as companies, enterprises, institutions, and governments spend more on artificial intelligence software. So the present value of all of its free cash flow between now and the very long run is 1.45 billion. The discount rate I've used for Big Bear AI is 17.97%. I've given the company a cost of debt of 11.5%, a cost of equity at 23.58%, with a beta of 3.18, a risk-free rate of 4.5%, and a market risk premium of 6%. Since the company has a market cap of 2.161 billion and total debt of 206 million, I've given the company a target capital structure of 25% debt and 75% equity. Starting with the value of operations again, at 1.449 billion, we add the company's cash and subtract the company's debt balance of 206 million. We get a value of equity of 1.3 billion, which brings us to the intrinsic value per share of $5.23, and the current market price is $9.02, so it compares unfavorably. Now, when I measured this business on a forward price to sales ratio, it also looks expensive. So whether I'm looking at it on a DCF or a forward price to sales, Big Bear AI stock looks expensive. And it's because of a lot of the enthusiasm that's built up given how well Palantir stock has performed and the stock price has exploded year to date. Big Bear AI is getting that halo effect from that industry, from that market opportunity. So for now, I would say Big Bear AI stock is overvalued, and it's not a buy, it's a hold, closer to a sell than it is a buy at $9 per share.